gentleman is simply a patient wolf. A man might befriend a wolf, even break a wolf, but no man could truly tame a wolf. Democracy must be something more than two wolves and a sheep voting on what to have for dinner. Like crying wolf, if you keep looking for sympathy as a justification for your actions, you will someday be left standing alone when you really need help. Wolves were everywhere. In politics, on thrones, in beds. They cut their teeth on history and grew fat on war. The lion may be more powerful, but the wolf does not perform in the circus. Everyone knew there were wolves in the mountains, but they seldom came near the village. The modern wolves were the offspring of ancestors that had survived because they had learned that human meat had sharp edges. The wolves in the woods have sharp teeth and long claws, but it's the wolf inside who will tear you apart. What's that supposed to mean? A wolf's head on a stick. Big wolf barbecue tonight? Bring your own wolf. Let me tell you something about wolves, child. When the snow's fallen, the white winds blow, the lone wolf dies, but the pack survives. In winter, we must protect one another, keep each other warm, share our strengths. The wolves knew when it was time to stop looking for what they'd lost, to focus instead on what was yet to come. Wolves and people were not natural enemies. The humans' relationship with other animals established their rivalry with wolves. The wolf will never lose sleep, worrying about the feelings of sheep. But no one ever told the sheep that they outnumber the wolves. Some people are who they say they are. Be cautious of the company you keep. A wolf in sheep's clothing. In our society, leaving the baby with daddy is just one step above leaving the kids to be raised by wolves or apes. The black wolf's curse awakes every time that a full moon points in the middle of the sky. A wolf is no less a wolf because he's dressed in sheepskin, and the devil is no less the devil because he's dressed as an angel.